Welcome to Brain Bliss Club. Begin your day with clarity and intention. Close your eyes. Breathe in fully. Exhale slow. Let everything that isn't useful drop away. Remember, repetition in calm focus rewires what you do next. These I am lines are designed to change your reality immediately. Breathe in power. Hold one beat. Exhale doubt. Ready. I am starting now. I am energized to take the next right step. I am finishing what I begin. I am choosing progress over comfort. I am eliminating distractions now. I am turning ideas into finished work. I am creating proof today. I am in love with the progress I create. I am disciplined like a habit, not a mood. I am grateful to my future self for my discipline. I am protective of my time and energy. I am curious, learning, and improving fast. I am building a life my future self loves. I am finishing tasks that become my proof. I am aligned with the person I want to be. I am already living as my best version. Open your eyes in a moment. But before you do, name one tiny proof action you will complete in 10 minutes. Say this anchor aloud 3 times. I am starting now. I am starting now. I am starting now. Stand or sit like someone who does the work. Move your shoulders back. Breathe steady. Open your eyes. Do the 10-minute proof and repeat this daily.